Repeat customers are the heart and soul of this business, and a major part of my success. I've considered offering rewards to get my on and off customers to become regulars and attract more new people. I chose Perka because it makes everyone happy, including me.
The Perka solution is an easy-to-use customer loyalty and marketing program. It helps you reach your customers anytime, anywhere, with targeted offers and rewards via their mobile phones.
Sub sandwiches are a cinch for me, but loyalty programs, not so much. They were either too difficult to get up and running or way too expensive. Plus, I was never sure what they would do for a business my size. Perka changed all that. The setup took less than 15 minutes. My customers just download the app.
Whatever your point-of-sale terminal or system, Perka will work for you. If you have a Clover station, you can do even more.
I loved earning the salad. My Perka app knows all. Every time I eat here, I get reward points. Man, loyalty tastes fantastic.
Thanks, Aaron. Always good to see you. Perka is amazing, and the beacon has everyone talking because it knows who my customers are when they walk in. They don't have to check in, scan a tag, or search for an old punch card. I can tell they like being recognized, too. And their love for rewards keeps them coming back a lot.
Share the love and see the results with Perka. Talk with your business consultant today.